Hi guys, just thought I'd post up another jacket repair video that we are doing at the moment. It's coming for some collar restoration that's needed, some collar repairs. As you can see with age, obviously it's all gone through, it's all gone quite nasty looking, so we're going to be doing some repairs to this. We're going to start by carefully unpicking all of the white threads and removing those, and then we're going to go through the process of we'll be rebonding the collar back together again, and then we'll be going through all the colours, all the cottons that we've got in stock to match it up nicely, and then do some nice blending in, darning over sewing work to the collar, and then that'll come up really well and it'll look so much better once it's done, and it'll be nice and strong and durable, and it won't be too stiff. We'll make sure we do it so it's in keeping with the age of the jacket, and that the collar is still flexible and it's still able to move. You obviously don't want to do it so it's completely super stiff and stuff. So there you have it. So I'll try and do an after video as well, so you can see what it's like afterwards. And also, if you go to our Instagram page and our blog page, the Denim Doctor, then you can see some before and after pictures of stuff just like this, and you'll probably find this one on there as well. So thanks for watching guys. If you've got any questions, it's michael@thedenimdoctor.co.uk on the email. Also you can DM me on the usual Facebook and Instagram profiles. So thank you very much for watching guys, and I really appreciate all the support on the channel, and I hope this has been informative. So if you've got a Levi's jacket or any sort of denim jacket, it's done this, yes, it can be repaired. So get in touch. Thanks very much for watching. Thank you.